Welcome to another yoga experience. This morning we'll have a couple poses that we'll do on the chair and then on the mat. The first asana or poses will be, I call it, because it's on the chair, the kitten and the calf, because it's a gentler movement. Remember, always start your yoga. You are the best teacher. Just settle down, do your breathing, just relax and be in the moment. So as you progress, you might choose to do a couple more poses like the kitten and the calf. So we start by inhaling through our nose and exhaling through our nose. As we inhale, we come forward. Looking forward, our hands can slide down our knees and just breathe in this posture. This is the calf. And then as we exhale, we can tuck our chin and go backwards, arching our back into the kitten. We can continue this vinyasa flow. Inhaling, coming forward, and exhaling, coming backwards. As we inhale, it's like we have a string attached to our belly button, pulling us forward. And as we exhale, coming backwards. It might work a little bit better if we come a little bit more on the edge of our chair. Inhaling, coming forward. And exhaling, tucking our chin, coming backwards. And that's the C curve, arching both ways. So we can do it on the chair, or if you like, we can experience yoga on the mat. So as we come to the mat, remember we could have started out just in seated yoga pose, breathing, inhaling, expanding our chest, filling our lungs, just feeling really comfortable. Remember, you are the best teacher. It's your body. Listen to your body. Treat it kindly. Treat it with respect. And your body will begin to love the poses. You go to your edge, but never go to pain. So we're relaxed, we've breathed, we've centered ourselves, and now we can continue into another pose. We'll come forward, our hands on the mat, and our knees back. This actually, the name of this pose is tabletop. It's like we have 4 legs of a table. If you notice my fingers, they're webbed, they're spread, because it's not our wrists that are supporting us, but actually the web in the front of our finger makes it much easier. So in tabletop, we can then begin to look forward in that cow position on the inhale, and then exhale, arching our back into the cat. Breathing, coming forward to cow, and exhaling, coming backward to cat. It's our belly button now. The string is just pulling our belly button down in the cow and upward in the cat. The vinyasa flow for cat and cow. 2 new poses that you can incorporate in your yoga session. Remember to always end your yoga session with Savasana. We talked the other day about Savasana on the chair, and the worthwhile experience that it can become. The neat thing about Savasana on the mat is so relaxing. You will literally love it. So we lay ourselves down, putting our hands backward, bending our elbows, and going to the floor. And letting our hands come beside us, palms up. And just beginning to relax and breathe. This is the best part of the practice, where we are just still. If we're running out of time, never shorten the Savasana, because this is the time where we can just let all that oxygen in the breath go to the tip of our toes, to the top of our head. And we will stay in Savasana as long as we want. When we've enjoyed the peace and the quiet, we will begin to wiggle our fingers and wiggle our toes. And then just turn to one side, just cradling our head in our arms, staying there. Oh my goodness, I could stay here all day, but I won't. I will press down on the mat and lift ourselves up and come back to seated. And again, whether you are doing yoga with a group or with yourself, honor and respect the goodness within. Namaste.